third one of exercise 1.3. Very simple question this is, but at the same time important from the point of exam also. One among the three you are going to get for the exam. Express the following in the form of, that is in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q should not be 0. You know, if the denominator becomes 0, what happens? It becomes infinite and its value is not determined. So because of that one, often you are going to get what? Q should not be 0. It is the condition. And integers, you know, all the positive and negative numbers you can take. So what are good? You have here, first one is 0.6, then we have 0.47 and 0.001. These are what? Of course, rational numbers. 0.6 dot means it is repeating, and it is something like this one, 6, 6, 6, something like this one. At the same time 0.47 means it is 0.47, something like this one, children. It is, these all are rational numbers. And 001 means 0. These digits, group of digits are repeating, something like this one you have. So you are going to convert this one and this one and this one in the form of P by Q. Okay, fraction you are going to write of these. Okay, now first one by one I will solve. First one, what we have here? First one, it is 0.6. Is it repeating digit? It is recurring, you can say here. So what are you going to do here? First you are going to take like this one. There is a procedure, you have to go follow that one. Let x is equal to 0.6 dot, or you can write x is equal to 0.666, something like this one. See here children, 666 repeating it is. Now what I am doing here, I am multiplying both the sides by 10. Okay, so that I can convert it in the form of, look at this one. Anyhow, look at this one. Just write this sentence, multiply both the sides means LHS and RHS. Is it? Both sides by what? Just you write 10. Why? I want to make it a whole and whole number in the sense 6 point something like this one. So what happens here? This is 10 into x is equal to 10 into 0.666. Am I right? So no, look at this one. 10 into x is 10x. See here, we are multiplying this decimal number with 10. Is it? So here, if we have, okay, most of the students get confused here with this one, 0.66. If we have, suppose, so if you are multiplying this one with 10, what happens here? This one, okay, I'll write 660. It becomes simple without considering decimal. 66 into 10 is 660. Am I right? And we are going to give the decimal point of 1, 2 digits. Is it? This is 1 and 2 digits here. So what I want to say here is 0.66. If we are multiplying that one with 0, the decimal shifts to 1 digit, this side, right side. So you are going to get here 6.666. If it is recurring, you are going to get in that case. You understand? If we have 0.66 into 100, so what happens? The decimal point shift to 2 digits. Here it is 066.00. See, most of the students, they get confused. What about this 0? Children, this 0 is nothing to do with this conversion. Okay, this 0 is just for convenience. Even if you have other than 0 digits like 1, 2, 3, you are going to keep that as it is. The decimal is shifting to this 1 digit further just because of these zeros. Okay, how many zeros you have? So depending on that one, you are going to shift the decimal to next digits. Okay, hope you understood this one concept. Now we have 10x is equal to this one. So 1 0 means here, this one is going to shifting here this decimal point here. Then you are going to get 6.66666 like this one. What about this 0? As no value, you can write this way or just write 6 point something like this one. Okay, now one more step here. You are going to call this expression as, okay, this equation you can see here 1 and this one as here 2. Okay, now what I am doing here, I am doing one more step here to remember these steps. Subtract what? 1 from 2, or you can say 2 minus 1 like this one. Short also you can do. Then further what it is? What is our 2? It is 10x. LHS with LHS and RHS with RHS. Minus x is 1 equal to 6.666 something like this one minus what we have here 0.666 like this one. See children, 10x minus x. Minus x means it is 1x. 10x minus 1x is 9x. Very simple. Okay, then where that 1 goes, don't ask that question. It is very simple. Now you are perfect with these simple calculations. This is 9x. Okay, here once again students get confused with subtraction. I'll tell you how it is. You have here 6.6666 something like this one, and it is 0.666 you are subtracting. Am I right? Something like this one you have here. So if you write this way, this one, this decimal part becomes 0 minus 6.00. So what you are getting here? 6 point, subtraction of this one is 6.000, something like this one. So 9x equal to 6 you are getting, or you can write here x equal to 6 upon 9. So when you divide this one, you are going to get 3 2s are 3 3s are, that is 2 by 3. So if you convert 0.6, that is the recurring rational number, we are going to get this one as 2 by 3. Or you can say when you divide 2 by 3, you are going to get 0.666 something like this one. Anyhow, our question is just what convert 0.6, that is the recurring digit, that is decimal number, to what? P by Q form. That is what we have. Okay, this is more than enough to write. So hope if you understood this question, I'll solve the second one also.